Hello, have you ever wanted to start your own YouTube channel or TikTok account with the highest quality AI-generated videos? So here I am with a new website and an easy method to create viral AI videos in just a few simple steps. You may have seen my previous videos where I created different girls one after another. Let's check it out.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Yes, those were made with AI tools I used about a year ago, but now everything has changed. Now you can use Vidno's AI to create even more realistic results. Let's take a look at what the final result looks like.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Okay, let's see how to do this. First, I'll share all the tools you'll need. Then, I'll provide prompts to help you generate the images and videos for your own channel. I'll also guide you through the editing process. So let's start with the AI generator tool. Introducing Vidno's AI. This website lets you generate images from text and offers many other tools, such as video generators, voice cloning, an avatar maker, and much more. Not only that, it also has many powerful video editing tools such as a video compressor, video translator, and video enhancers. Okay, so with this tool, we're going to generate images and videos. I've also provided a link to the prompts in the description. Let's get started with the generation process. First, go to the Vidno's AI dashboard. Then, copy the prompt I provided and open ChatGPT or any other chatbot in a new tab. Paste the prompt there to get started. You can see that this prompt is designed to generate 5 image-based prompts and video prompts featuring women from specific countries. You can modify the prompt if needed, then hit enter to get all the prompts you need.
Okay, I'll take it from here. The prompts are now being generated for each country and style. You can start creating images by copying the image prompts and visiting the website to begin generating your results. In the dashboard, click on AI Image Generator. Now, paste the image prompt. Select the realistic model as the style, choose the number of images, and set the aspect ratio. Since we're making a short video, I'll select a vertical image size. Great, our first image has been generated. Let's go ahead and generate the other images as well. Okay, now all the images for my video have been generated. If you need more, you can keep creating additional ones. Now let's begin generating videos using these images. Okay, copy each video prompt one by one. Then go to the Image to Video tool, upload your image, select the Vidno's Max model, and paste the prompt into the video description. This step is optional, but it's much better if you include a description. Nice. The video has been generated. Let's check it out and continue creating more videos using the images and prompts we've generated. Okay, great. After generating all the videos, download them to your PC. Then you can use CapCut or any other video editor to create your short video. Personally, I use CapCut because it's easy to make a short video in just a few minutes. You can see that I've imported all the videos I generated along with a trending audio track. All you need to do is drag and drop each video, just like I'm doing, add some music and transitions, and then export your final video. Let me show you how I do it. Okay, let's play it and see how it looks.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Great. Let's try it one more time, but this time let's replace the music.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be
Okay guys, that's how you can create and publish an AI video using just AI tools and a video editor. Now, simply export your video and upload it to your YouTube channel or TikTok account. So I hope you learned something new today. Please don't forget to share this video. I'll be back with another tutorial soon. For now, goodbye.